Hello, and welcome to Offsite by Learnit. I'm Carly, Community Lead. Offsite is a new online community dedicated to fostering the principles, skills, and connections needed to thrive in the new normal. It's a place you can go to reconnect with your professional goals and aspirations and find answers by collaborating with a group of intelligent people from all over the world. And now, more than ever, with the crisis affecting everyone in some way, we are all looking for safe, inclusive spaces to connect with each other, to learn new things about the topics that matter most, and to grow together personally and professionally. So whether you are working on your own personal growth, working with technology, working with others, or leading people in teams, Offsite can help. Offsite is organized by topic, so if you're looking for career advice, insights on business, free workshops, or a good book on leadership, it's all on Offsite. And in the spirit of community, we are looking to you to help us shape this platform. We encourage you to engage with your peers and instructors, share your thoughts, and ask questions. The more you put into it, the more you get out of it. We are so excited to be launching this online community, and we can't wait to see you here.